If you want to activate Google Assistant option into a SONY Xperia 10 3rd edition, first of all, open your Google application, this one, and then click to more option in the right bottom corner. Then go into settings, and here we got Google Assistant, so click. Then need scroll down and find general option, this one, this. And here we got our Google Assistant option and switcher, so click to switcher to turn on, confirm operation, click one more time, turn on, and that's it. Now we activate our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.